and I are down and we are going to be moving the pumpkin patch stand, Christmas tree stand, our little roadside stand. We're going to be moving that to right over here. So let me show you. So right now you drive in, the highway is right there. You drive in and there's the stand and our gate is way over here. So we're gonna move it here because the plan is that we're gonna put up a fence for trees and pumpkins all along this stretch of the driveway. So Owen and I are gonna move that right now. Look how pretty that sky is.
Pick the logs up, pick the trailer up, or pick the log?
I'll pick this old hatchet up first.
And the next truck. We're using this again.
We might. Not a clue.
Alright, let me pick this up. Take that out.
I want it so that it's straight, like up here,
Okay.
so that it's kind of in line with our gate. I would like for kind of the tongue to be kind of maybe right in here.
So you went back this far.
Yep. Yeah. Yep. So the trailer there, and then like the tongue up there. So I'm thinking, Owen, you're gonna have to pull up into the horse arena and then back up that way. So far, so good. Our really flat tires. Whew, and there goes a mouse. A mouse came running out of it. He's gonna hit. Oh no, he's good. I think. We'll see with those bolts. You're really close to those bolts. You want me to tell you? Okay.
Tell me about the trailer.
Keep coming. Right about there is good. Cause we can do that by hand, can't we? You think so? I think
Let's back it up where it needs to go.
it's straight. I don't know, we just need to pull the tongue this way and then it'll be good.
Your way?
Yep.
Is it the right spot then?
Yeah, right there.
I think it'd be easier to back it up just a little bit and pull ahead again than to try to move it by hand. So we got the trunk on it.
Yeah, but
It's two flat tires. It's not gonna pivot. Just gotta move it a little bit.
okay. I'm just trusting that you're seeing the post. Good job. Thank you. You're a jerk. Oh. Huh, that's what you get.
Where you want it?
I want it right there. But with the tongue this way. Yeah. You're not going to be able to get it. Like, I want the tongue to be almost in line with the post. Right there, perfect. Right there. What? The tongue is right where I want it. What do you think? Because it's going to be lower. I almost think that the tongue isn't going to need to be on that big block.
I got some more blocks.
So we have to move the growth sign, change the date, put the come grow with us thing back on top. But we're going to have to move it. And I want to see now with this being here, how that works for pictures, because last year that was in direct sun, so it made pictures kind of difficult. So if we move it down here, we'll have this huge area, so we can, and I want to put a few more fun things out this year. So if we move it down here somewhere, we got to watch how the sun goes, but I want to put a few more things around in here, and like some cutouts or something. And I want to see how the sun works, so we'll wait to do that until we can watch the sun. I mean, it's going to change so much in the next 2 months anyways, so we'll see.
This looks like it's gonna come off pretty easy. Okay, can we move? I I need something underneath this so that when I take it off, it doesn't fall.
Like way back? I didn't realize. I thought you were just wanting
No, just wherever it fits, but I don't want it to.
right here.
But that's gonna fall down and push my way. It's not
You
gonna
think so?
balance on there.
So is this wedge under there then, or what?
Let's see if it's just going with this. Throw this behind the back tire.
There's one there. It's a small one, but it's one. Should you stand up in case it... Uh-oh. Now what are we gonna do? That was anticlimactic. That looks really good.
Now nobody can steal it either.
In case with the planters in the tire and then the two flat tires, just in case.
Must just be a 1 7/8 ball hitch on a 2-inch ball.
So you just can drive around like that? Should we move that log so people don't trip on it? Those are going to be some big blackberries. Blackberries. Take down the Christmas tree and the bow. Christmas tree I think is screwed up. No, it's just glued up. Gotta get this stuff cleaned out, but we can do that another day. Now that this is moved, I can do it pretty easy without. And I want to fix the roof. I like it. So we had it there, and then we moved it down there. So that'll give us lots of extra room. It'll actually double the size from last year. And this is for the self-serve area.